everyone, Josh Ryan here. I'm at the Lodgeville right now. So we got a green light train that's coming, approaching at the Lodgeville, enters the tunnel. We're waiting for westbound, something like a Q317-15 westbound mixed freight train, or b816-15, or even 15, b815-15 westbound loaded coal train or empty coal train of helpers. So it will be there soon, shortly. Right now we're looking at the milepost crossing 299.1, and the milepost right there, right next to it, is 299.0. So we'll get ready pretty soon, shortly. So go ahead and start the video, son, right now. Oh, it sounds like the last of the rs3k. Oh, let's see. Oh, oh, oh. All right, we got the csxt somewhere. We got the csxt b816-15 westbound loaded coal train. Oh, oh. Let me do a race! I'm 495! Woo! Run out of its style right there! Oh wow! That is so cool! Unbelievable! Hey man, appreciate the comments down below. What you think of like a Leslie Horn rs3k? We built the CM44AC. We built the low locomotive for 7208. What do you think of what happened to making all this coming and approaching the Lodgeville? You know, I really think I have a 10 day at a time in my life that looks like a CSXT 559, like a former Burning Norman Leslie rs3k. But you can keep the title for the training on this YouTube channel. Thanks for a while. That's gonna be impossible, okay? Oh, all right, let's gotta watch another train action. The only way they can keep them going. So, who knows? Huh? Oh, C627208 is headed inside the Lodgeville tunnel. There, steady she goes. That's an emoji kiss right there on the heart on the coal train to take him over. Is that nice? That was beautiful. Man, that was a giraffe right there. That's a I don't believe my mind. Get ready! Oh my goodness, that is so incredible, man. Ow! No! Don't do it! No! DBURI! 2027! Pretty really nice! There she is! Jeez! Come on, man! Oh no! I don't know anything about this, folks. Damn, man. That was brutal, everyone. Damn, that was brutal, man. It was b816-15 loaded coal train of helpers. Alright, more train actions coming out after this. Don't go away. And there you have it, folks. That map must be b815. Wait a minute. It was b816-15 westbound loaded coal train of helpers. they're gonna cut it off at the end of the train device right there. So, all right, but give us a thumbs up, likes, comments, and subscribe to Josh Ryan. So, thanks for watching, folks. Wow, that was a wonderful blast. So much fun too, you know. Engine power move, right where I started. There she is! Oh yeah! Woo! Somebody! Wow, look at that! That's where we left the b816-15 little coal train, right where I started. Oh wow, that was incredible, man! All right, we got the CSX light engine power move heading to stall the train. Help her set them up for rs3k 15. We'll be coming up. We'll be there shortly. So we'll be there soon. Shortly at the we're ready to leave, depart out of the yard at the ammo tower. Looking at the milepost. Let's see. Hold still. Aha. BA 301.47. On track east on track 1. So who knows? What's the difference? Wow, that's pretty cool, folks. All right, and there you'll have it. There's a light engine move, front elephant style, front rear DBU at the end of the train. Headed back to Clarksburg, cut off at the end of the train. So now we're headed back to Ammo Tower. There's 3389 and 4027 SD40-3, right where I started at the Lodgeville. So, all right, give a thumbs up, like, comments, and subscribe to Josh Ryan. Thanks for watching, folks. That's pretty cool too.